Is your Peugeot 108 key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. As of October 2025, battery failure accounts for roughly 80% of key fob issues. The Peugeot 108 key fob uses CR2032 battery, a common 3-volt lithium coin cell. This battery typically lasts 1 to 3 years, but frequent use can shorten its lifespan. This video will show you how to replace it. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob may need reprogramming using aftermarket solutions, such as the VJ scan tool. Start by using a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the key fob casing. Most fobs have a slot designed for this purpose. Next, take note of the battery's orientation before removing it. The positive side is usually marked. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation, positive side up. Then snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons near your car. If it still doesn't work, check for corrosion or consider reprogramming the fob, potentially saving on dealership costs. Remember to recycle the old battery properly.